Hey everybody, my name is Shivani Sharma, and in this video I'll be telling you about top MBA colleges in Lucknow. So let's begin. Number 1. IIM Lucknow. It was established in the year 1984 and it is recognized as an institute of national importance. IIM was the fourth IIM to be established in Lucknow in Uttar Pradesh. The college is spread across 200 acres of land and it provides various programs in master's and bachelor courses in the field of management. It aims at producing managerial experts from the global business world. IIM was ranked 4th among the management institutes by NIRF 2019. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for post-graduation in business management. The students are required to have completed graduation and is required to clear the exam CAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with a minimum fee structure of 14,16,000 in total. The highest salary offered here is 54 lakhs per annum and the average salary package is of 24 lakhs per annum. Number 2. Jaipuriya Institute of Management. It was established in the year 1995 and it is a privately owned institute. It is accredited by NAAC and is approved to AICTCE. It is considered to be among the top colleges in India for providing education in the field of management. The college provides masters in business administration with the aim to create future managers in the business world. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for PGDM. The students are required to have completed graduation with a minimum of 50 percentages and are required to clear exams such as CAT, MAT, XAT, CMAT or GMAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with a minimum fee structure of 10.25 lakhs in total. Number 3. Amity Lucknow. It was established in the year 2004 and since then it has been contributing in providing knowledge to the students theoretically as well as practically in the field of management. Also, it is ranked among the top 58 universities by NIRF and is accredited as A grade by NAAC. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for MBA. The students are required to have completed graduation and is required to clear exams such as CAT, MAT, GATE, CMAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with a minimum fee structure of 8,64,000 in total. The highest salary package offered here is 31 lakhs per annum and the average salary package is of 5.6 lakhs per annum. Number 4. Shri Ram Swaroop Memorial University. It is a privately owned institute which was established in the year 2012. It is approved by UGC and AIMA. It is spread across 100 acres of land and has always been among the top colleges in providing a useful insight to the students in the knowledge in the field of management. Also, it is ranked among the top 15 universities among India by India Today 2019. Moreover, the college provides master's degree in the field of management studies, field including such as human resource management, general finance, information technology, international business, marketing, operational management, family business, etc. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for MBA. The students are required to have completed graduation and should clear exams such as CAT, MAT, XAT, GMAT or CMAT or ATMA. The duration of this course is of 2 years with a minimum fee structure of 2,59,000 in total. The highest salary package offered here is 25 lakhs per annum. The total number of seats available here are 120. Number 5. School of Management Studies. It was established in the year 2008 and is affiliated to AICTCE and is accredited by NAAC. It is a privately owned institute which helps the student to provide a quality education in the field of management studies. It is ranked 32 among the B School of India by Business Today. The college offers masters in the business administrations in the streams like finance, human resource, information technology, international business, marketing operations, management. Now let us know about the eligibility criteria for MBA. The students are required to have completed graduation and should clear the exam CAT. The duration of this course is of 2 years with a basic fee structure of 1,46,000 in total. The highest salary package offered here is of 10 lakhs per annum and the basic salary package offered here is of 4 lakhs per annum. So guys, these were the top MBA colleges in Lucknow. I hope this video was useful to you. For further details, kindly visit campuswala.com. But before that, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.